In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. Scheduling a meeting in Outlook is a simple way to invite other people, choose a time, add a location, and keep everything organized in one calendar event. Microsoft explains that a meeting is different from an appointment because a meeting is sent to other people, while an appointment is just for your own calendar. In Outlook, you create a meeting by opening your calendar, starting a new event, and then adding attendees. If you're using Outlook on Windows, start by opening Calendar, then select New Meeting. Microsoft's Outlook guidance says you can add people in the To field, enter a subject, add a location, and then choose the start and end time. If you want to make it easier to find a time that works for everyone, you can also use Scheduling Assistant to check attendee availability before you send the invite. Next, fill in the meeting details, add the people you want to invite, type a clear meeting title, choose the date and time, and enter the location if it is an in-person meeting. Then type a short agenda or message in the body so everyone knows what the meeting is about. Microsoft also notes that if you want the meeting to be online, you can select Teams Meeting to automatically add the join link and online meeting details. If you use Outlook on the web or Outlook.com, the steps are very similar. Go to Calendar, then select New and choose Calendar Event, or click directly on an open time slot in your calendar. Add the event details, then add invitees to turn it into a meeting. Microsoft says you can open more options if you want extra settings and a fuller editing view. A helpful feature in Outlook is the Scheduling Assistant. This lets you see when people are free or busy, which can save time when you're trying to choose the best slot. Microsoft says you can add attendees first, then use the assistant to pick a time that works better for the group. In some Outlook setups, AutoPick can also suggest the next available time. Once everything looks correct, click Send. Outlook will send the invitation to all attendees, and if they accept, the meeting will appear on their calendars. That makes it easy to manage team calls, client meetings, project check-ins, or even in-person events from one place. So the basic process is easy. Open Calendar, choose New Meeting, add your attendees, enter the subject, location, date, and time, then send the invitation. That's how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.